How to fix Siri is not responding to your voice. So if you're trying to say "Hey Siri" and it's not working, then I'll show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now first, go and head over to your iPhone home screen and you'll need to go and load up the settings like this. Now once you're on the settings page, you'll need to scroll down to Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now make sure Apple Intelligence is turned on and enabled, and then scroll down and click on Talk and Type to Siri. Now there's a few options here, so the first thing is where it says press side button for Siri, you can go and turn this on, and you can press enable Siri. Now what this will do is when you go and hold down the side button on your phone, this will go and activate Siri like so. Now if it's the voice command that's not working, then what you'll need to do is go and click on off at the top of this page, and then you'll need to reselect either Hey Siri or Hey Siri. So I'm going to select this top one here. And then you'll need to go through the steps on the screen to activate Siri. So you can just go and read out all of the phrases on the screen. And once you've gone through all of these steps, that will turn back on Siri. You could then go and say "Hey Siri" and check to see if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, you'll need to come back over to the main settings page, scroll down and click on General, and then select Software Update. Now make sure your iOS is fully up to date, as sometimes these updates can also include bug fixes. Now once you've done that, come back over to the previous window. If it's still not working after trying all of these steps, you can scroll down to the very bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. You could then press Reset, and you'll need to go and press Reset All Settings. Just bear in mind that all of your iPhone settings will be restored back to their original defaults. You won't lose any data, but you will need to go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks. And once you've done this, you could then try setting back up Siri, and that should have solved the issue where it's not working.